Tired of your game sounding like it's coming from a tin can? Let's ditch that weak audio and upgrade to a soundbar that'll make your PC setup sound amazing. Alright, first things first, size matters. Measure the space under your monitor or where you plan to put the soundbar. You don't want something that overwhelms your setup. Aim for a soundbar that's roughly the same width or a bit smaller than your monitor. Next up, sound quality. Look for soundbars with multiple drivers, including tweeters and woofers. This gives you a wider range of sound and better clarity. Pay attention to the soundbar's frequency response. The wider the range, the more detailed the audio. Now for connectivity, ensure your soundbar has the right ports for your PC. USB is the simplest, offering both power and audio, but optical and O inputs are also common. Bluetooth is a bonus for connecting your phone or other devices. Let's talk features. Some soundbars come with virtual surround sound or Dolby Atmos. These technologies create a more immersive audio experience, making games and movies feel more realistic. Consider these if you're a big gamer or movie watcher. Don't forget the accessories. A remote is super handy for adjusting the volume and sound modes. Some soundbars also come with mounting brackets, if you want to attach it to your wall or monitor. Finally, read reviews, see what other users are saying about the sound quality, ease of use, and overall value. Compare different models and find the one that fits your budget and needs. So, there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect soundbar that'll transform your PC audio experience. Happy listening.